And now, look at this beauty. 1954 British Seagull. Oh, 74, sorry. What did I say, 54? That was with Dad when he bought it. 54. Okay. So simple. So reliable, provided they're looked after. All the transom clamp is Foster bronze, and that pin means you just leave the transom clamp on the transom, undo the spring pin, lift the engine off, take the engine with you without having to undo the clamp. She'll run like that all day till the tank runs out. Fantastic little engine. 4 horsepower. Big, not fast, they're a lugging engine. They used them to put the mulberry harbours together. There we go. British engineering. I'll shut her down now. How about that, eh? How about that? Brilliant.